We've previously defined an impulse as the integral of a force with respect to time in the context of a particle, and that was equal to the change of the momentum of the particle. Now if we divide this equation by delta t, then by the mean value theorem, this expression is the average force. And then if we multiply through by delta t, we get the following expression. So therefore this defines an equivalent impulse where the area under the curve given by the average force by delta t is equal to the area under the curve given by our original impulse. So therefore the impulses are equivalent. So in this example, where we've simplified the impulse due to an explosion as a triangular impulse, so in this case we're looking at one dimension, and the impulse is the area of that triangle. And we can also observe that the average force here is F0 plus 0 on 2, and then multiplying the average force by delta t gives us the same impulse.